Alright, y'all, I'm back. I found me a lot over by my crib. So, shoot, I'm finna go ahead and get y'all the demo from inside. Well, I can just go y'all the demo from outside the car and everything first. Then I'm gonna hop in and so y'all can hit the inside. But, alright, so let's go ahead and get this demo up and running so y'all can hear this motherfucker slam. You feel me? Let's get it. This the radio. It's a Pioneer. I think this like one of my best radios. I've been messing with Pioneers for a minute now. That's my nephew. That's my boy right there. My nephew, man. He'll be turning 1 next month on the 6th. But then let's go ahead and get to this demo. Not keep my shit clean. Oh shit, turn the shit sideways on tweak. Gotta get the whole thing. Let me go ahead and go back to YouTube. I don't know what beat this is, but hey, this is. Should have picked another beat, but heard that. Don't shake. Y'all can see it.
Got that heat,
Got pops all the way around. 6x9, 6.5. Pop 16s in the back. My bad, y'all. Hey, I had to start recording, man. It got kind of cold out there, and I got this little sweater on. I need to start coming outside with sweaters on. People always be telling me I'm gonna get sick, but I don't get sick. I ain't easy to get sick. But yeah, if y'all like the video, you feel me? Please like it, and then if you're new to the channel, please subscribe.